Hello, welcome to the teaching class of the Elephant Robot. Introduce course. This course will teach you. Use Arduino to burn firmware, miniRobot. Supported robotic arms micobot 280 320M5, my palletizer 260. miniRobot functions, drag teaching, zero calibration. Communication forwarding and connection detection. The course will be divided into 3 parts to explain. The first part is the preparation before the class. Let everyone have a general understanding of the robotic arm and the required software. The second part is the installation and configuration of the software. The third part is the final purpose of this course. Compile and upload miniRobot firmware. Preparation before class. Before taking the third part of the course, get to know the equipment you need. A Windows 10 to 64 computer, a mechanical arm micobot 280M5, power adapter, a mechanical arm, USB Type-C line 1. The equipment used in the video is micobot 280M5. Official website to view the detailed introduction of the robot. You can also scan the QR code below to view. Introduction to Arduino IDE. Its characteristics: simple, cross-platform and easy to use.